Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna do a third video here, and he got his new blades in. They're I guess they're monster theme, but he wanted one that would kind of match the canopy. You want to pick it up and hold it? Look at it.
Yeah.
It looks cool. I like them. You weren't sure about it at first, but the green matches for the most part. So he's got his third flight. He's just gonna fly out in front here. We're still under construction in here, so it's pretty open, but in the middle here anyway. So he's just gonna fly around. It's getting a little bit dark out, so he's got to hurry up. I think we're somewhere probably around 9 packs or something, 9 or 10, right? Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
No more than that. And you got another new battery in, so he can get some more flying time in without waiting. Maybe like 2 at a time. You want to fly around? If you go a little higher, it'll pick it up easier. Yeah, for the guys that have been commenting and messaging me, I mean, if you've flown, years ago, I mean, this thing is so stable. You're going to have no problem just picking it up again. It really is stable. Like, I mean, it's pretty much hands off when you trim it up. Do that trim calibration. You want to do some quick throttle blurps. So the blades seem like, whoa, the blades seem like they're pretty balanced. We weren't sure if they were going to be balanced, but it looks like they scuff them to balance them, to take material off. That's what it looked like anyways. Is forward flight in this mode quick at least?
Oh yeah, that's pretty. I'm barely moving it. It moves really.
I mean, right now he's about, I'd say that's a good 50 feet away, maybe 20 feet up right there. And it's breezy out. It's not windy, it's just a light breeze. It's probably the least amount of wind we've had since you've taken it outside. You can totally see the orange blades though. Just go back and forth. How many minutes?
1 minute.
No, we've been videoing for 3 minutes, so with the talking, so well, you were flying for a minute before the video.
I mean, I could probably go for longer because I only set it for 4 minutes.
Yeah. When you're hovering around like this, you're gonna get like 2 minutes more than you would 3D, probably. I think we got almost 7 minutes that last time. So 7 minutes on a 70C Venom 450 milliamp battery packs. And he just got another new battery. This isn't the new battery though. He's a good 50, 60 feet away. That's about 20 feet up right there, maybe 15. Do some tailspin, just see how fast. He's flying, if you can't tell in the video, he's flying backwards in a circle, tail in. So he's learning all this, guys, right as he's been flying and doing the simulator. Because right now he's literally flying circles in tail mode, tail forward. I mean, however you want to call it. What do you call it?
I just call it backwards flying.
Yeah, he's flying with his tail, so. And he's learning all this now. He's all brand new to this. He's flown quads, but that's pretty much it. Right now it gets hard to see because there's no light or anything on that's telling him the front or the back. Well, there's a light on the back there now. I guess you could see that. So, if you don't see the light, you're going forward, I guess, right?
Hey guys, I can see the tail too.
Yeah. Flying tail in. I guess you want to call it tail in, but when you're doing circles with your tail in reverse like that. I don't know all the terminology for like 3D flying and stuff.
I'm like a minute over, so 5 minutes right now.
All right, so just go ahead and land it, and I'll just get a profile. That's it. Blade 150S. Third flight outside. Well, 10 packs, but third video outside here. So those are pretty nice blades. We'll put a link to the description on the blades, guys. They're from Amazon, but they're Microheli blades. So for the 180, right?
Yeah. Oh,
those
it also says 150S too.
Yeah, they're 180 and 150S blades. So. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe. There's Ireland.
Bye.
Tell them keep watching the videos.
Keep watching them.
We're gonna do as many as we can until you get better.
Yeah, we're gonna do a lot of videos.
In 1 year, we'll see 3D flying. All right, bye.